Hi guys, it's Omega, and I am on to show you the finished Baby Boy mini album. Finally! So I must apologize first of all. I posted a couple of videos in the making of the album, and then I kind of screwed up and lost some footage. I mistakenly deleted it, and then I it was hard to kind of piece together then what I had done. So I took down what I originally posted. What I'm going to try to do is put together one video that will at least tie together most of the making of this album. There's going to be a little bit of a gap in there, but I want to make it make sense. And if I can do that, I will post that video. If I can't do it where it makes sense, I'm just going to leave it off. So I apologize for that, and hopefully can, do another video next time I make an album. But I wanted to come on and show you this because it turned out really, really cute. So this is the Baby Boy album, and of course the paper that I used, I have used it before, so I wanted this one to be a little more unique, and I think I accomplished that. I do have a video up, and it's, I think 2 years ago, from the original album that I made. But I did make my own little embellishments from the paper by just popping up some of the little stuff that I fussy cut out, either fussy cut or punched out of the paper. So I put something on the spine here just to kind of give it some dimension there. Then on the front here I popped up baby and then boy as one piece, and that's popped up. And this that I used to wrap around the spine here is some Tim Holtz grunge paper, and I inked it with some just regular vintage photo ink, and it looks almost like it's suede, so it turned out really nice in that respect. And it's a very sturdy, it's like chipboard, but it's flexible. It has that flexibility there, so it's going to be really sturdy to hold up. Then the other thing is, in starting out, I used stripe paper on the front of this album, and I changed my mind because I did use stripe paper on the initial album that I made. So I went ahead and used some polka dot paper instead, just to make this a little more unique. And then inside, it turned out really cute. From the paper, I have some little cutouts that I was able to use for the stats, the date of birth, weight, and length. And then I found some little stickers at Tuesday Morning, probably a while back. I think I've had these for a while. But I was able to put some stickers on each page. And it will kind of prompt the kind of photo to use, but of course they can use whatever they want. But this one says Little Prince, and then they can write the stats there. This one says Once Upon a Time. And so I have the photo mats where they can put them landscape, or they can put them portrait style. So they can decide the photos that they want to use. And like I said, I put stickers along the way so that they can kind of post put the photos in either way. Like this one can go portrait or landscape in the album. So there's flexibility there. And then on the other side, I put a place for them to journal. And then also each page will have a photo mat slid down, to slide down between the page. And then I put journaling spot on the back of each of these. I used border paper to put on the pockets there, just to add a little bit of, decoration there. Another border. Then the sticker here. Each page on this side will have a photo mat in portrait style. And then here's another sticker. Snips and Snails and Puppy Dog Tails is what that one says. A photo mat here. And then on, like I said, every other one is done with a different stamp on the back. I'll show you this one. This one says, "Too cute," then a place to journal. So every other one is this way, and every other one is, with stars. So another one with the little border. This one little sticker says Rub-a-Dub with a little rubber ducky, and then the photo mat there. Another one to slide out, a portrait style, a landscape style, a border. Another sticker. Of course, another photo mat. So on each of the pockets, there's going to be a photo mat there. And then photo mat, one here. This one says "Snug as a Bug." And then finally, the final one there. And then I made a pocket on the back here, kind of after the fact. So I just simply used a border piece that's kind of wide, and just made it where they can put a photo there. Nothing on the back. I think I am going to put a sticker on the back with my information, just so the baby will always know it was from Auntie O. My nieces and nephews call me Auntie O. And so that's what I'll put on the back there. But it turned out really cute. The pages will swing and, turn without a problem. It turned out really cute, and I am so sorry I didn't get the making of it up, photographed, or I'm sorry, video recorded well. I have a problem when I'm doing things over a period of time versus when I'm just sitting down to do a project all at once. So I kind of messed up. I hope to get that up though, where you can at least see most of the making of it, as far as especially the construction of the album itself, and then how I decided to put the pockets together, and the pages, and then the little pockets here. I think I have enough recorded in video for you at least to see that type of thing. A lot of this is really so simple, and you just kind of do it to your own taste. But I'm going to try to put that up for you guys. So I am done. Finally, I can get these off to my nieces. And in the Baby Girl album, I was waiting to actually get both of these done before I send them. So I will be sending both of these off probably this week. And I just want to come on and show you the finish of this one. So guys, thanks for watching and your patience on this mini album. I just had a struggle. I did everything I could on the weekends, and that's why it was a little bit delayed. But I thank you guys for watching. I'll be back again soon with more. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.